with your boy Jay Wise, Cope Cartel,
and Joe Branded Baron. Check out Soul Exchange.
InTheMixRadio.com.
You're listening to the hottest internet radio station. In the mix.
What it is, y'all? Soul Exchange, Tuesday night, InTheMixRadio.com. Y'all know what it is, 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's actually 9:02 weekdays. We having some technical difficulties, especially with your boy laptop. I'm not feeling Windows 7 right now. Somebody bring another laptop, please. Jesus. What it is, Lady Esther?
Chilling here.
Chilling.
Just glad we can have another edition of Soul Exchange.
You know, on a cold day, it's frostbitten outside. It's not 105 out tonight, so
what is it? 102.
It's only only 102. DJ Brown Boy, what it is, man? What you got on your shirt, homie?
Yo, I got the Branded Baron apparel on my shirt. They here in the studio with us, y'all.
What's the name of that? What's the name of that?
Oh, fuck up. Sorry for cussing. Branded Baron, y'all. They in the studio with us, y'all. Chilling here in the studio, Soul Exchange Live Internet Radio Show, only on InTheMixRadio.com.
Y'all know what it is.
Okay, back to the music.
Back to the music, as usual. Your boy Mike Thompson,
Yeah,
I'm here. You know what I'm saying? Another Tuesday. So yeah, we got Branded Baron. That's what it's called, right?
That's
what it is, right?
That's what it is.
Lady Essence got one on, so it's pretty hot, man. It's pretty fresh. I got my Georgia Ruiz. Big shout out to Georgia jeans. You know what I'm saying? I got the purple people eater. You know what I'm saying? I'm wearing this for Brett Favre and the Minnesota Vikings. You know what I mean? You know I'm a Cowboys fan, but it's sweating Brett Favre. They're like, please come back, please come back. So we got our boys in the house tonight. We got an artist too, right? That's what I heard. We got a couple of artists. Mr. Lowe's gonna be here later. I know my man Joe from Branded Baron bought us some treats. You know what I'm saying? Definitely gonna let y'all know how to get the hot wear, the hot gears. That's a hot shirt right there, man.
It definitely is. That's why we copped it.
You know, I love it.
Love it?
Where's mine? Damn, man. I gotta go. But you gotta go buy your own. It's all good. You gotta buy your own, man. So yeah, so if y'all haven't heard or y'all didn't see, y'all saw Jennifer Aniston. She's topless in her new ad. She got a new perfume come out. Oh man, it's crazy. She's like, hey, she doesn't care. She's just trying to let Vince Vaughn know and Brad Pitt both kiss their ass. Kiss her whole.
But it doesn't make sense. She got like 2 bee stings. Like, it doesn't
literally.
make sense.
And a little stinger for the back, because seriously, the picture is not really that appealing, but you know, big shout out.
I gotta check it out.
Yeah, she looks kind of crazy, to be honest. I mean, she's just in black and white. It's a nice. The photographer did a wonderful job, but she doesn't really have a body like that. The fragrance is called Rola VA. So it's right. Something about it means something about laughing at people. Oh yeah, laugh at those who watch. Yeah, who are watching you. Laughing at those who are watching you. Something like that.
So I gotta laugh at everybody in the chat.
Roll out VA.
Ha 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 ha.
Yo, this guy is crazy, yo. And my favorite person, Lindsay Lohan. She just started her prison term today. Did you see the natural fit she had in court? Like, she wanted to get rid of her lawyer because the lawyer couldn't get out of jail. But she only got to go in for 3 months. You know
she has to go in for 3 months, and then she has to
go right back to
counseling. I think for another 60 days, something like that.
Yeah, her rehab.
30 days. Yeah.
I think she's on probation for like a whole 6 months.
But that's what she did, though.
Wow.
I have no sympathy.
Nah, come on now.
All they told you to do was wear the bracelet and attend your meetings or whatever, what have you, whatever she had to do. And you can't do that. They're like, I got something for you.
Stop the drinking.
Like ever since Martha Stewart went to jail, it's been a wrap for everybody else as a celebrity. They're like, if we can send Martha to jail, everybody else going to jail too.
Everybody gonna go in. I mean, that's a new fad. I guess, you know, when you go to prison and you come out, more people actually love you. They're like, we missed you. Where were you?
Yeah, man.
Using a CB phone, man. Come on, man.
Cell Block 4. Using D Block.
D Block. Big shout out to Chris Rock for CB4, man. That was inspiring.
Yeah, man.
The movie was crazy.
Great movie. Great movie.
Y'all having trouble, yo. I mean, I got a Dell laptop, brand new laptop. I'm gonna have this laptop like 3 months, and it's already giving me trouble. So, Bill Gates, you're about to go on my kill yourself list, seriously, because this Windows 7 ain't working, homie.
You got that list ready to go today?
Well, this really, it's kind of crazy.
It's
It's kind of easy because it's only going to add up to one person that needs to really kill themselves for the week. So we'll get to that later.
Okay.
They get the all 10 slots just because.
All 10?
All 10, just for being incredibly ignorant. And we'll
just to familiarize our guests what we
All
do.
right, yeah, y'all gotta stay tuned to listen to that.
Yeah, y'all gotta stay tuned and listen to Money
I'm
Mike's Top
curious
10
too right
Kill
now.
List.
It's
Just
crazy.
to familiarize our guests what we do, Joe. What we do is a segment of Money Mike's Top 10 Kill List.
It's like, huh?
So it's like not
Tonight,
literally go kill yourself, but as a form of speech saying like basically go screw yourself.
Basically.
Just say go kill yourself. So it's like
Kill
10 people on his hate list for the week. And he brings to the show every week and he tells, number 5, go kill yourself and the reason why and stuff like that. So y'all fellas stick around.
You know,
check it out.
y'all in for a treat tonight.
Y'all in
Yeah,
for a
it's
treat.
pretty much what Obama says to just about every politician that he knows right about now. Go kill yourself. He's a jackass. Like Kanye West. So it is what it is.
Oh, man,
We here
Mikey.
tonight. Don't forget to check out my site, whatsyourevent.net. I do photo, I do video, I do decoration.
Yep.
I hook up with the best music and with the Metro Music Group, DJ Lady Essence,
Yeah.
DJ Boundboy, holding it down for your private events. So make sure you
Yeah, if you,
check it
ever
out.
need anything, hey, holla at us, Metro Music Group at yahoo.com.
I
You
see.
need a DJ for your wedding,
Yeah.
or mitzvah, like it doesn't matter. Barbecue,
Yeah.
doesn't matter.
If you're taking a poop, we're gonna
Doesn't
come
matter.
and decorate it. We're gonna play some music all
Might
in
gonna
the
give you
bathroom.
balloons.
You know what I'm saying?
Hit a
Give me the
photographer,
brownest you
and
can
we'll
get.
do the music.
Hey,
For
why
real,
not?
man. We hold it down
That's
all
cool.
day.
Sound-
Make sure y'all check us out on Twitter, SoulEX Live, SoulX Live. Hit us up on Twitter. Follow us. Let us follow you.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And follow Brandon Barron too. They got a Twitter joint.
Word,
You can hit them up also.
Sure.
word.
They'll be stepping to the mic in a little bit, y'all, so stay locked with us. And we're just going to vibe out tonight. BX Mr. Low is on the way. He just hit me up in the chat room and said, he's on the way, he's on the way. So, Low, hurry up and get your ass over here.
Word, man. It's
You know
all
what I'm
good.
saying? We got pizza waiting for you. Pizza for everybody tonight.
You know what I'm saying?
Feel like a
Pizza's
Ninja
on
Turtle.
us. BX Savior, what it is, man. Yeah, that's my dude right there. I was calling Young
Yeah,
Saya. Young Savior. Your girl, what up, baby? How you doing?
Yeah.
Let's see.
The barber, what up?
Should be in there in a minute. The barber, what up, man? What it is, man? Everybody's always logged on. We appreciate the love. A lot of people are shy. We got people logged on that ain't in the chat room. I don't appreciate that. They're supposed to get in the chat room, talk to one another, network. You know what I'm saying? Network amongst yourself. A lot of people got
Yeah.
businesses out there that somebody else might need your product or your service. So,
Yeah, chat room, you got homework tonight.
word, man.
It's network night, so you gotta just shout out all your business, shout out what you do.
Your websites, your
Yeah.
MySpaces,
Yep.
all that, man. Your Facebook,
MySpaces.
your MySpace.
Yo, you know this is
So
MySpace
follow your
anymore, yo.
MySpace.
Yo, I met somebody the other day and it was like, yo, you can check me out on MySpace.com/ I said, what? I said, oh, okay, I understand. I don't even speak
Damn.
MySpace, but you know, I do have a MySpace page for What's Your Event, but I never log on.
I got a MySpace page too, but I never log on either. I'm just like, I forgot about it. You know what I'm saying?
It's over with.
It's kind of irrelevant right now with everything else that's going on.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Facebook is killing it. Twitter's killing it.
MySpace, I think
over.
the kids still use use MySpace. I'm
Word.
sorry.
We reading something in the chat room. It's hilarious. They're like, what are they laughing about?
Insider.
Check out BX Mr. Low on It'sMyWorldNow.com. I definitely got that DVD popping. He had the hottest party of the summer right now. Man.
Yeah, the white,
The
all white.
all-white party on Memorial Day. That was the best party I've been at all summer so far. And there was a lot going on.
Oh,
But-
Mr. Lowe, what you doing in the chat room? You supposed to be here. What you
I
up
wonder if
laughing right now?
That's Mrs. Lowe. Is that you, Mrs. Lowe? Yeah, so
one
definitely
of
check
them.
us out. August 5th, we'll be in the building, Harlem Lanes, 2116 Adam Clayton Powell Boulevard at 126th Street, August 5th. That's an after-work joint. Come out 6:30 to 11. It's free. Come and get your bowl on. We got $3 drink specials. Soul Exchange is controlling the music. DJ Lady S is
Yes,
DJ
yes.
Brown Boy. Come celebrate with us. Yeah, I'm getting married in a month, yo. It is so real right now. It is crazy. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate it. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, that's amazing, man. But not a lot of us do that anymore. And if we do get married, we go to the Justice of the Peace and get a bucket of fried chicken and call it a day. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, big shout out to all my people that's really doing the low budget weddings. I appreciate you too. But yeah, we're going to be heading out, so come on celebrate with us. We'll be leaving at the middle of the month. So, the wedding date's August 21st, official in Mexico. So, if y'all going to be in Cancun, holla at your boy. You know what I'm saying? Mexico.
Viva la Mexico!
I'll be nothing but Corona and all kinds of shots or whatever they hand me. So, Peace out to Corona, what it is. Oren P, what's up, girl? I see you.